If you're seeing Steam error 404, don't worry. This usually means a page wasn't found, or Steam's built-in browser is loading a broken link, an old cached page, or content that no longer exists. In this video, I'll show you the fastest way to fix Steam error 404, step by step, so you can get the store, community, and profile pages loading properly again. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick fixes just like this. First, let's understand what's actually happening. Steam error 404 is basically a page not found message. In the Steam client, it often shows up when the internal browser tries to open a store page, a community profile, or even an image that has been moved, removed, or failed to load correctly. A lot of the time, the issue is not your account, it's just stale browser data inside Steam. So the first fix, and usually the most effective one, is to clear Steam's web browser data. Open Steam, then go to Settings, and click on In-Game. Even though this may seem unrelated, Steam stores browser data in this area. Once you're there, look for the option that says Delete Web Browser Data. Click it, confirm with OK, and then fully restart Steam. This clears out old cache files that may still be pointing to pages that no longer exist. If the 404 was caused by a cache conflict, this step often fixes it right away. If the error is still there after restarting, the next step is to manually remove the htmlcache folder. This is a deeper cleanup that helps if corrupted or stuck. Files are still causing Steam to load the wrong page data. First, make sure Steam is completely closed. To be safe, open Task Manager and end Steam if it's still running in the background. Then press Windows key plus R to open the run box. Type %local app data /Steam and press enter. Inside that folder, find the HTML cache folder and delete it. After that, relaunch Steam and test the page again. This manual purge can clear out anything the built-in delete option missed. If you're still getting Steam error 404 after both of those steps, the problem may not be on your device at all. Sometimes Steam's community or store servers may be experiencing issues. To check that, visit steamstat.us and look at the current server status. If the store or community sections are down, then the 404 may resolve on its own once Steam's servers are working normally again. So to recap, the best order is first clear Steam web browser data, then manually delete the HTML cache folder if needed, and finally check steamstat.us to make sure the issue isn't on Steam's side. These steps solve most Steam error 404 problems quickly and safely. If this video helped, please give it a like, subscribe for more Steam fixes and tech tutorials, and comment below if you want me to cover more Steam error messages in future videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.